Wike, a man with a fierce look, but a good heart. A good heart. A heart of will to accomplish, to love, and to support. Majority of your enemies today are not against you because of anything. They are against you because they know you have capacity. They are against you because they know where you take over, they will fall apart. I want to believe that His Excellency Atiku Abubakar is not against you. But let me say this quickly. A lot of people surrounding the throne are enemies of the throne. A lot of people surrounding the throne have one axe to grind with somebody or some issues with somebody, and they take it to where they are not supposed to take it. There's no living being in this party and outside this party that will not acknowledge your contribution to this party. You are the soul of this party. Even till now, what you do, how many people does it? It was their nightmare. When you wake up, you see Fayose. Today now, when you open television, it's Wike. That time, because as your senior brother, I was a lion that time. But let me say, your good works will never go unrewarded. Your Excellency, the good man in the history of the Bible are always the enemies of the people who doesn't like the truth. Continue your best. Continue to do your best. Don't give up. I believe this party will come together. Losing the Ekiti election, if I go into that now, we will know the source, but it's not important because we must put things behind us and move forward. Some people believe that they have to destroy their leader before they can rise. If you are destroying any leader, you can't rise. So you might appear to be making waves. You can't rise. Wike is not a saint, neither am I one. And don't expect perfection from me. We will not come to Riverside and tell Wike what he wants to hear. We will speak our mind to ensure that we win collectively. Governor Wike is not saying he's the vice presidential candidate, and he's not looking for it. But it is important that winning this election is the ultimate. Let us win together. I am with Wike. I am with Wike. Wike is in PDP. I am in PDP.